morning, BeeBusinessBee fans, and I'm here with a special video. You may remember a couple of months ago I tried to make a video in a supermarket and we got asked to leave. Hello and welcome to a special BeeBusinessBee vlog where I'm in a supermarket, and that's a bit risky because you normally get asked not to film in there, so let's try and find out a bit about product placement. And I was going to try and look at some of the pricing strategies and the way they lay their products out, but supermarkets get a bit tetchy, so I thought give it a little break, and then rather than going back to the same supermarket, we'll try the biggest one in our area. So here we are in the biggest supermarket area, and we're going to try and check out and see if I can get in there and get and do some filming to show you the pricing strategies that they use in the supermarkets. I'm half expecting to be told to leave again, but you never know. We BeeBusinessBee, and we're going to make sure that we're buzzing for business. So let's go undercover. Don't tell anybody. So then, let's see if we can go undercover in this supermarket. Let's take it away. Here I am. Now, look at this aisle here. You've got a great example here of what I call discounting. So you can see here it says 2 for £22 or £13.50 each. So that's a pricing strategy that they use quite a lot, with something called discounting. And then if you move over here, you can see their attempt at psychological pricing. So they're doing, well, they're rounding numbers down here is 5, so like 65, £30. And then you've got the £49. Now I'm going to see if I can try and find an example of psychological pricing where you've got like £49.99, where it's really £50, but it looks like it's £49. But we're going to keep moving. Here is another great strategy they like to use. It's the reduce to clear option. Because if you notice here, it doesn't tell you what the original price was. As you can see, they put this nice reduced on his logo, and these people want to actually buy it and get drawn to attention. And they might get drawn into paying for it, but nobody knows whether it really was that price to start with. So over here, it could have been that price to start with. But it's a reduce to clear option. Trying to make it cheap and optional. Right, let's keep moving. Here we have another example of pricing strategy. We have the half price strategy. Now this is what they call a gondola aisle, because it's one of the end aisles. You know, the ones you see at the end of each one when you go around the corner, and that's what they're presenting here. And obviously that's where they put the offers on. They're trying to entice to buy. There you go, with a 2 for offer. And you can see over here another pricing product strategy over here. So look at this down here. You've got the 2 for £2.50, and if you look down this aisle down here, look what you see straight away. You see this £1 here. So this strategy of trying to make it really obvious, but there's something really clever that happens here, and I hope you can find an example of it now, where they place their products. So whereabouts do they actually place their products when it comes to the little racking over here? So you see behind me over here there's little racking. Where do they actually put the products on the different brands? Because where they place them is obviously really important, where your eyeline is. And look, I found an example, tomato ketchup. So look where the eyeline is, you've got the premium brand of Heinz. So they pay more to be on these brands. But if we come down here now, let's drop down here. Look down here, what you see down here, you have the home brands down right at the bottom. So they're hidden away technically. Now the home brands obviously make the most profit margin for the shops, but they will sometimes charge the companies like Heinz to put their products on the shelf here. So they want to be in the eyeline, and that's the one that everybody sees. So when you're walking down the aisle now, the products you see here on the eyeline are the most precious ones in theory. It's the best place to be. As you come down, you tend to find lots of the home brands down here, or the things that are hidden away and don't pay as much money. That's a strategy that's used in supermarkets. Now I've stopped this aisle here with the cereals because it's quite interesting to see. When we talked about the eyeline products, there's your Kellogg's for example, but look when you come along here, you've got Tesco on the eyeline, and they make more profit margin when they're selling their home brand products. But you tend not to find them there normally. Normally they try and put them further down and put the premium brands on the upper level because they're paying for it. So maybe they suggest that Tesco are trying to sell more of their home brand now and moving into that home brand idea. Right, and over here finally, very quickly, I'll just show you. Look at one of the strategies they use here for the promotion. They use the new stuff. So they're trying to draw your attention to the product, get you to buy it because it's new, to get you excited. And obviously you can also see that Tesco little strategy here. You can see that they use the orange or the yellow ticket to try and convince you that things are on offer. Now amazingly, I seem to have gotten away with actually coming into a supermarket, the biggest one in the area, and showing you some of their pricing strategies that they do, which is quite remarkable. So I'm going to end the BeeBusinessBee video here so that I get away with that and I can actually put that out on the channel. don't forget to follow the YouTube channel. It's BeeBusinessBee on YouTube, it's BeeBusinessBee on Twitter, BeeBusinessBee on Facebook, and also on the Insta channel. Make sure you get on there because you get some exclusive footage on there as well. Remember, until next time, make sure you keep buzzing.